Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha app. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Aloha app as you see and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.